Welcome to our CoughPro cough management tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will guide you through the cough management feature so that you can learn about behavioral cough suppression therapy and how to leverage it. The goal with cough management is not to suppress cough, rather it is to reduce the urge to cough. To access cough management, select the Take Action icon at the bottom of the home screen in between the Insights icon and the Profile icon. If this is your first time accessing the cough management feature on CoughPro, you will be required to answer a series of questions to determine your suitability for use of the cough management feature. Please answer the questions honestly and accurately, and once complete, you will be informed as to whether or not you can proceed to cough management. After you have completed all of the questions, and if you are a suitable candidate for behavioral cough suppression therapy, you will be brought to the cough management home screen, which showcases several areas that you can explore. The 3 areas that are available to explore, education, techniques, and triggers, must be completed in that order so that you can properly heighten your ability to anticipate when coughs will come, as well as develop skills to suppress the urge to cough. Over time, the urge to cough itself will go down. That urge is what causes those who have unexplained chronic cough or refractory chronic cough to be in the vicious cycle of feeling the sensation that they need to cough even though there is nothing to clear in the airway. Before we navigate to the 3 different areas, we're going to review the health factors warning. You can either choose to read this overview of health factors warning, or you can listen to the audio version. As a warning, cough management is not appropriate for use in those who have a productive cough, who have a condition such as bronchitis or lung disease, who have a cough related to smoking, a cough as a side effect of medication, or a cough due to an active respiratory illness. Once you've completed the health factors warning, you can go ahead and select Start Cough Management. You are now ready to start the first section, Education. The first lesson of education is the 3 R's. Similar to the health factors warning section, you can either choose to read the overview for each lesson in education, or you can listen to the audio version. At the bottom, you can include any feedback as well as indicate whether or not the section was helpful. From here, you can go on to the next lesson, Coughing 101, or click back to Education to review all of the lessons available. As you work through each lesson, they will turn green once completed. Anything in red indicates that it still needs to be done. Once you've completed the education section, you will unlock the technique section. The technique section showcases 3 different techniques: effortful swallow, tongue out swallow, and cough control breathing. You can review each of the techniques in a series of audio recordings and short videos by pressing play. Or you can opt to read and review the short videos at your own pace by pressing read. At the end of each technique, you will select done when you feel you have successfully mastered it, in that you understand the technique and can perform the technique. Once you've completed all 3 techniques in the technique section, you can move on to the trigger section. Many people who have a chronic cough also have triggers, and in this section, you can explore some of the common triggers that coughers report. In each trigger section, there will be the 3 R's: be ready, respond to the urge, and regain control. The 3 R's will help you work through the trigger. You can either read or listen to the content, and then you can return back to the main trigger section. You can also add in your own personal triggers, such as a location or a type of food, for example. Once all sections are completed, you can refer back to them at any time. If you have any questions about cough management, feel free to review the resources available: Mastering Cough Control, Coughing and the Brain, and a Did You Know section to discover fascinating insights about cough-related topics. Or if you have technical questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@coughpro.com. And there you have it, an overview of the cough management feature on CoughPro. Discover more about CoughPro and product features such as insights at the CoughPro video tutorial library.